I had planned to take some time off, spend a couple of days on the road. Of course, that was all before Double Dog Scarlet. She had a certain air of confidence around her. Dressed to the nines, but a definite 10. Bad news written all over her from head to high heels. Obviously, I accepted the case. Potential reality breach, alpha class. Not exactly what I should have been doing without a full bottle of scotch, but hey, she'd given me the footage to analyze and I had my Sigma 950, top of the line. The kitchen was from the swanky part of town. Time to check for reality breaches. It's almost always an outside job, but not this time it would seem. Room looked clean. Inside job then. Perhaps an amateur looking to get in on some action, foot in on the ladder and all that. Yeah, looks like that was also a bust. But people often forget to check what is in fact right behind them. Scanning a blank scene, they say, is always blank, and it would seem that this time they were once again right. Yet another dead end. But something drew me back in towards that very, very suspicious cupboard. Seemed as fishy to me as when the bay was filled with pollutants last summer. I don't think that smell will ever leave me, but hold on. Wait, could this be pocket universes again? I was glad I'd checked the microwave, and sure enough, there it was. Signature Kyochi pocket universe. There could only be one way such tech could be on this side of the border.